What can and cannot pass through the phospholipid bilayer? Here is the phospholipid bilayer in pink. We need to remember two rules before we consider different kinds of molecules. The first rule is the phospholipid bilayer has a hydrophobic interior. The second rule is that the phospholipid molecules are constantly moving and exchanging places, which means very small molecules can make it through. So let's look at these one by one. Here we have oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water. These three molecules are very small, which means they can squeeze through the phospholipid molecules, the space between the phospholipid molecules. So they can pass through very easily. Now let's take a look at some hydrophobic molecules. Lipids are hydrophobic. They don't like water. Water and oil do not mix. So all lipids are hydrophobic. That would include steroids, such as hormones, and fats, which are triglycerides. All of these can easily pass through the phospholipid bilayer because they are hydrophobic. Let's look at ions. Ions are charged atoms, which means they are hydrophilic. Ions are also fairly big. They cannot fit in the spaces between the phospholipid molecules. So they don't satisfy both rules. As a result, ions cannot pass through the phospholipid bilayer. They are big and they are hydrophilic. The next example is glucose, which is a monomer. It cannot pass through the phospholipid bilayer because, like the ions, glucose does not satisfy both rules. It is hydrophilic and it is too big.